Hello, little learners! Are you ready for school? Let's learn all the things we need for a fun and happy school day. Repeat after me. Backpack. B-A-C-K-P-A-C-K. Backpack. It carries all my school things. Say backpack. Lunchbox. 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 It has my sandwich, fruits, and juice. Yummy! Say lunchbox. Stationery. Let's open the bag. What's inside? Pencil. I write with it. Eraser. I erase mistakes. Sharpener. I make my pencil sharp. Crayons. I color with them. Ruler. I draw straight lines. Notebook. I write my name in it. Repeat after me. Pencil. Eraser. Ruler. Crayons. School bus. I go to school in the bus. B-U-S. Bus. The wheels go round and round. Sing. Wheels on the bus go round and round. Classroom. This is my classroom. It has tables, chairs, and a whiteboard. I sit with my friends and learn new things. Teacher. This is my teacher. She teaches me ABCs and 1, 2, 3s. She says, "Good job," and gives me stickers. Say, teacher. Other places in school. Bathroom, washroom, or sink. Wash your hands. Playground. I run and play. Library. I read stories. Great job, kids! Now you know all the things you need for school. Let's say them one last time. Backpack, lunchbox, pencil, crayons, bus, classroom, teacher.